guys, welcome to the Zena review, and today I'll be unboxing Hatchimals. Hatchimals are cute little baby animals that need a hatch with your help. So let's get to it. But before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button, notification, then like this video. So as you can see, we have a green and blue egg. Really fragile and really smooth. I like that texture. And then on the side, we have two different categories of Hatchimals we can get. We can get pink wallas or draggles, but by the egg, you can already tell it's draggles. On the front, it shows a green Hatchimal or a blue Hatchimal. I wonder which one we're gonna get. So let's open it. But before we open it, just make sure to have parents' help if needed. My mom helped me to open this before the video. So guys, this was just the fake egg. Wow, that was really cool. That was just like the fake egg. This is a really cool container. There's our real egg, guys, look! Oh my gosh! So we're just gonna rip this off. Put this to the side. Guys, this is so cool. This is so, oh my gosh, a real egg. You have to be fragile with it. I really don't want to break this egg. Like, I really don't want to break it. Okay. So as fragile as we can out of here, because it does not want to come out. Okay. Here, I think is like our manual for it. Yeah. This is in English. This side's English. And this just tells you a bunch of facts about the Hatchimal, which I will mention later. But we're just gonna put this off to the side with our container and try to open this. So I believe so, you're gonna need adult help for this. Oh, and it's just a little thingy twist. Just saying. I heard it! Guys, oh my gosh, guys, oh my gosh, guys. I had to like really get this thing open. There's Hatchimals in here. Oh my gosh, okay. I have like a cute little Hatchimal. Oh my gosh, guys, this is so exciting. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I just made a noise. On the back here, it said to play with it and rock it and hoop it. So, guys, oh my god, that is so cute, guys. Do you hear that? I love you, cutie. Guys, it's blue. Do you see that color? It's changing right here. Do you see the colors? Let me show you. See that? Guys, it was like, had colors. I swear. Look right there. It had colors. Okay, look. It was so cute. Did you guys see that? Right there. Wait. His heartbeat. Mom, oh my gosh, guys, I cannot take it. It has blue, pink eyes. Oh, now orange. I think it's like eyes are changing. I tooted. That is so cute. And you can hear it from here. And there's also like the eyes. You can hear it from this bottom hole. I don't know why this is like the cutest thing ever. Also, if you have this, you can put your Hatchimal right in here. Oh man, so cute. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh, I'm not touching it anymore. I'm so scared. I thought I heard like a crack or something. while I'm waiting for this thing, this cute little baby creature, I'll be going over what some of these things mean. So it says light color. If it's pink, heartbeat? Yeah, heartbeat. So you guys can read it for yourself. Do you hear that? Green means set. Set, yep. And it says rub bottom of egg or tilt pet. Head squeeze belly button or tilt. Where's the belly button? Are you okay? Are you okay, little one? Okay, that's a no. Oh my gosh, it's like sick again. Oh, egg or tilt. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. I don't know what I did to it. Comment down below if you think I'm taking really good care of my Hatchimal. I think I am. It is so cute. Let me go over this for you guys. Just gonna put this on the side. So when you see pink, it means hear my heartbeat. Aww. So what to do when that happens? Hold bottom of egg / pet head. When it's red, it's annoyed or upset. So what you do when that happens is rub bottom of egg and pet the head. Orange, it needs to burp. Ooh. Pet bottom egg, tilt forward, or pat head. I think pat head's easier, so like, yeah, I'll pat the head. Flashing orange. Wow, that's really cool because usually the flashing colors are in like the games category and all that stuff. So that's really cool. You guys can see a blunt of that. I've been actually seeing a lot of flashing orange. So flashing orange means has the hiccups. Tap on eggs, make a loud sound to scare them away. I hate to make scary loud sounds. I do not want to scare it. So the next one is yellow. That means autonomous. Interact with Hatchimal in different ways. Yay, I love interacting with animals. Next, green. It means sick. Remember I went over that one? Rub bottom of egg, tilt / pet head, squeeze belly button or tilt. So I would rub bottom of egg. In case you don't know where the belly button is, you do not want to make a dent in this egg because that would just force the Hatchimal to come out and you won't really get the excitement. I've been through the excitement and it feels great. So do not dent the egg. And light blue means it's cold. So rub egg, rub head, or squeeze belly. Remember, do not squeeze the belly unless you know exact where the belly is. Dark blue, scared, rub bottom of egg, tap egg / pet head, or make a loud sound. I do not want to make a loud sound. I'd probably like pet the head. Purple, it means it's hungry. Not applicable. Oh, tilt forward, so just want to tilt it forward like that. White, going to sleep. Touch egg base to wake up. Press chest button to wake up. And lights off, listening, tap on egg. So that was all of it for the color dictionary, but the games one, you will see. I don't know, I definitely know what that means, but it packed, guys, it packed. Oh my gosh, it packed, guys, it packed. Look, so you guys can see. Oh my gosh, it's like, I feel like I'm gonna hurt myself, so look. It's like it's pecking. See, can you see, guys? Where it's past peck. Oh my gosh, guys, it's like pecking. Look, I saw its beak. Okay. It has a blue beak, guys. Oh my gosh. Knock, knock. Oh, you're alive. Oh my god, that is so cute. I love when it does that, like that peck. Okay, that's when you know, guys, it's like about to peck on me. Oh my gosh, that was so like... guys, we got so many pieces here somewhere. Down from the air. Wow, that was from the air. Did you just went to sleep, little eggy? Oh, okay. I think it's legit. Oh wait. So far, this is like the little pieces we've gotten. Oh my gosh. Okay, make that a few more little pieces. Oh. Hands up. Okay. It's true, guys. The egg doesn't like me. Do you think it likes me? Put it in the comments down below. I don't think this is gonna end well. Shield. Even though, shield. You're not pecking me, little dude. No, like seriously, I'm so scared of this little thing. It's like so tiny, it's like flashing out on me. Oh, it's not. Oh, okay. Do not want to hit that camera. Starting to like see its eyes, and I love the color of the eyes. I love Hatchimals. That's it. That's all I gotta say. It's like poking in the same spots, and I don't really know how long it's gonna take. So let's just open it. Guys, we have the top. I keep thinking that's it coming out. I'm sorry, little dude. Are you fine with it? Yes, finally. So I found a little. Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm hurting its skin. Happy birthday to me. Oh my god. Should I hide like that's my name? And my mom recording did not even say a word to me while recording. And the Hatchimal said Zaina. Hi, little cutie. It opens its wings. Oh my gosh. What's happening? This is so cute. Game is gonna be really cool because he can learn my name and stuff like that. So, his name is gonna be, oh my gosh, let's see. I'm gonna name him Green Apple. Green Apple Jr. There's no first Green Apple except the Green Apple, but I don't know, it's just so cute. I thought I would add Junior because Junior is like the second and so tiny. Look, it's moving. I love like the Hatchimals, and I love their eyes. I like Hatchimals and let's see what relaxes its light. Oh, it likes its light. Let's brush its hair. Oh, let me show you. That is cute. I like it. Now for the last gift of all, a little blankie. Oh, if you're cold, I'll give you the blankie. And also, guys, this is its home for now. Look, it's gonna put his. You wanna tuck his wings in so it doesn't affect him. And if there's any parts you need to take out to make him fit into there, go ahead. Let's his little home. I'm not letting you drop little Green Apple Smith. Okay, that's cute. And then look, if he wants a little cuff, you can have this. Guys, thanks for watching. Bye.